Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is inverse trigonometric functions. Now here first one, if x is equal to sin inverse of sin 10 and y is equal to cos inverse of cos 10, then y minus x is equal to. Now here x is equal to sin inverse of sin 10. Now we know that sin inverse of sin x is equal to x. Now x belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. But here sin inverse of sin 10. Now to find according to graph, now draw the graph of x is equal to sin inverse of sin x. Now x is equal to sin inverse of, or y is equal to sin inverse of sin x. Now 0. Now range of sin inverse of sin x, pi by 2 minus pi by 2. Okay, now here minus pi by 2. Now here pi by 2, pi, next to 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, next to 5 pi by 2, 3 pi, next to 7 pi by 2. Okay, now here y is equal to x. This one y is equal to x. This one pi minus x. Here this one pi minus x. Next here minus 2 pi plus x. Minus 2 pi plus x. Okay, this one minus x plus 3 pi. Minus x plus 3 pi. Now here now 10 value near this one, after 3 pi 10 value nearby this one. Now sin inverse of sin 10 is equal to, now sin inverse of sin 10 is equal to minus 3 pi minus x, or minus x plus 3 pi. Minus x plus 3 pi. Minus x plus 3 pi means minus 10 plus 3 pi. Okay, now sin inverse of sin 10 is equal to 3 pi minus 10, or minus 10 plus 3 pi. Now 3 pi minus 10. Okay, now next cos inverse of cos 10. Okay, now according to graph, y is equal to cos inverse of cos 10. And here also cos inverse of, draw the graph of cos inverse of cos x. Cos inverse of cos x. Now 0. Now here pi, pi, 2 pi, next to 3 pi, 4 pi. Now here y is equal to x. Next one 2 pi minus x minus 2 pi plus x minus 2 pi plus x. Okay, now this one minus x plus 4 pi. Minus x plus 4 pi. Okay, now here x 10 value means now here this one 10. Now you take minus x plus 4 pi, minus 10 plus 4 pi. Now cos inverse of cos 10 is equal to cos inverse of cos 10 is equal to minus 10 plus 4 pi or 4 pi minus 10. Okay, now y minus x is equal to now y minus x is equal to now y value 4 pi minus 10 minus x value 3 pi minus 10. Now 4 pi minus 10 minus 3 pi plus 10. Okay, 10 cancel, 4 pi minus 3 pi pi. Therefore, option 4 is the correct one. Okay, next one. If cos inverse x minus cos inverse y by 2 is equal to alpha, now then 4x square minus 4xy cos alpha plus y square is equal to. Now we know that cos inverse x minus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse of xy plus square root of 1 minus x square square root of 1 minus y square. Now according to expand this one, cos inverse x minus cos inverse y by 2. Now cos inverse of xy means x into y by 2 xy by 2 minus square root of 1 minus x square square root of 1 minus y by 2 whole square y square by 4 is equal to alpha. Now cos inverse move that side, xy by 2 minus square root of 1 minus x square square root of 1 minus y square by 4 is equal to cos alpha. Now cos alpha xy minus xy by 2 minus cos alpha is equal to square root of 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus y square by 4. Now squaring on both sides, a minus b whole square, x square y square by 4 plus cos square alpha minus xy minus xy cos alpha is equal to 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square by 4. Okay, now here multiply both. Here 1 minus y square by 4 minus x square plus x square y square by 4. Now x square y square by 4 cancel. Okay, now take LCM. Now 4 minus y square minus 4x square. Okay, by cross multiplication. Now 4 cos square alpha minus 4xy cos alpha is equal to 4 minus y square minus 4x square. Okay, minus 4x square move that side plus 4x square. Now minus 4xy cos alpha plus here minus y square plus y square is equal to plus 4 cos square alpha move that side 4 minus 4 cos square alpha. Okay, now 4 common 1 minus cos square alpha. 1 minus cos square alpha is equal to sin square alpha. Now 4 sin square alpha. Therefore, that value is equal to 4 sin square alpha. Option 3 is the correct one. Next one. The value of sin inverse 12 by 13 minus sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to, we know that sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse of x into square root of 1 minus y square minus y into square root of 1 minus x square. Now apply formula. Now sin inverse of 12 by 13 into square root of 1 minus 9 by 25 minus 3 by 5 into square root of 1 minus 144 by 169. Now sin inverse of 12 by 13 into 25, 16 by 25 means 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into, now 169 minus 144, 25, 5 into 5 by 13. Okay, now sin inverse of 48 by 65 minus 15 by 65. Okay, now sin inverse of 33 by 65. Now sin inverse of 33 by 65. But here no option is there. Okay, this one first here convert into cos. Now let sin inverse 33 by 65 is equal to alpha. Now sin alpha is equal to 33 by 65. Now using right angle triangle, here alpha, now here 33, 65. Now here 56. Now cos alpha is equal to, now according to this one, cos alpha is equal to 56 by 65. Now alpha is equal to cos inverse, alpha is equal to cos inverse 56 by 65. Okay, we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now sin inverse 56 by 65 plus cos inverse 56 by 65 is equal to pi by 2. Now you want cos inverse 56 by 65. Now pi by 2 minus sin inverse 56 by 65. Therefore, this value is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 56 by 65. Therefore, pi by 2 minus sin inverse 56 by 65, option 2 is the correct one. Next one, if alpha is equal to cos inverse 3 by 5, beta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. 0 less than alpha, beta less than pi by 2. Now alpha minus beta is equal to, now here cos alpha is equal to 3 by 5. Now tan beta is equal to 1 by 3. Now using right angle triangle, now here alpha 3, 5, now 4. Now tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. Tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. Now you take positive, alpha beta belongs to first quadrant. Now alpha value, tan alpha value is 4 by 3. Now tan beta value is 1 by 3. Now alpha minus beta, alpha is equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. Now beta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. Here already beta value are given, tan inverse 1 by 3. Now alpha minus beta is equal to alpha minus beta. Tan inverse 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 by 3. Now tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of x minus y. 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3 by 1 plus 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. Now tan inverse of, now 4 minus 1, 3 by 3, 1 by, now 1 plus 4 by 9, now 13 by 9, 9 by tan inverse of 9 by 13, tan inverse of 9 by 13. But here tan inverse of 9 by 13 is not given. Now this one convert into sine or cos. Now using again right angle triangle. Now tan inverse 9 by 13 is equal to 9 by 13 is equal to theta. Now tan theta is equal to 9 by 13. Now using right angle triangle. Now tan theta 9, 13. Now here 250. Square root of 250. Square root of 250 means 5 root 25 into 10. 5 root 10. Now sin theta is equal to, now sin theta is equal to 9 by 5 root 10. Now here theta is equal to sin inverse 9 by 5 root 10. Therefore sin inverse 9 by 5 root 10, option 4 is the correct one.